Oh hey, it's Matthew. Long time. Haven't been in an airport for a while. Just checking in. Before I could even go and get my boarding pass, you have to show a travel authorization saying you're allowed to go into Jamaica and how to get a PCR COVID test within 3 days. So they just check that before I can even get my boarding passes. So anyway, we're in here. It's a little busier than last time, I would say, but still pretty calm compared to a usual airport here in Toronto anyway. What the fuck? All right, so we're through security. Cheers. It was actually really quick getting here, good time of morning. It was definitely a little busier than last time I went to Jamaica. And it's only the second time I've been to an airport in like 9 months, which is really crazy for me. It was a little busier checking through security, but it's because I'm in the terminal where there's domestic and international. Now that I'm through and I'm hanging by the international gate, it is pretty dead here, super quiet. So anyway, I'm so excited to get back to Jamaica. It's been the longest gap in going there in definitely a few years, maybe 5 years. And I'm really excited to see everyone and shoot some more stuff. I really can't wait. So just waiting to board, getting some caffeine in me after not much sleep. And I did really quick want to thank the sponsor for this video, which is Surfshark. So Surfshark is the best VPN in the world. I've been using them for many years. It's a way to keep your data safe online and encrypted. When you're using Wi-Fi like I am at an airport right now, or any random restaurant or bar or public Wi-Fi, you really should be encrypting your data. It's so easy for people to get into things that you don't want out there. So I use it at home all the time as well. Surfshark has been the best for me. It's just, I find the app is so easy to use. It's one click to get on. It's so simple, and it doesn't slow down my Wi-Fi. I've tried other VPNs before that I've paid for, a number of different ones. I've tried some free ones. They all seem to make my internet chug along. With Surfshark, I know it's encrypted and it's as fast as usual. Oh yeah, and you can watch cool Netflix stuff that you might not be able to get in your own country. There's a whole bunch of benefits. So just click show more below. There is a link to Surfshark. You enter promo code RASKitchen and you get 83% off and 3 months for free. So just hit that link below, secure your digital life. Thank you very much, Surfshark. It's looking like a pretty quiet flight. I always wait till the end to board. I don't like lineups. I'm allergic to lineups, so yeah. All by myself, last one on. We're here. There's the new van. Wow, good in real life. Yeah.
Was ball out, you know?
Classic stop. Every time, pass by ours, we have to get chicken. It's nothing new. But it's so damn good every time.
Come on.
Cheers. Bing! Hey! What are you doing, Goaty? What are you guys doing? Uh-huh. Stopped to use the ATM. Good thing it's working. The one by the airport ran out of money, which is a pretty common thing. Scotiabank here, luckily they have in Canada, and it seems to work pretty well with my Scotiabank Jamaica ATM use. But as you can see, we just got smashed by rain, hammered by rain. Everyone's kind of taking cover. I've been waiting here for about 20 minutes. And yeah, hopefully Mokko will roll by in the van, the crew and we can head back to the yard and start relaxing. It's definitely taking a bit longer than expected. Get out of the way, Goody.
Get the hell out of here.
Get the hell out of here.
Out.
Get the hell out of here.
What?
All right, we made it in a little more rain, getting damp quick. Some people are smart with umbrellas. How many people can fit in an umbrella? Shit, I'm running. Whoa, there is a road here now. No more dirt, gravel. Whole thing's paved. Crazy. Whoa, new puppies. Stay down. Wow. I am soaked. Holy. That was just in time. What up? I'm wet. There's dogs everywhere. There's another dog. What the hell? There's so... Yo, how are you? How are there so many dogs here? I know, apparently. That's running high. Yeah. Yeah. This is a new development, totally concreting up the rough dirt and rocky area now, and there's a driveway right at the top of the yard. It's a little tight, but it definitely works. So, just negotiating the way in right now, I guess. Yeah. Just getting soaked here. All right, got my gear down. Definitely very convenient having that path and little driveway. It's amazing. And I'm just gonna unpack. Hopefully this rain will go away and maybe get a dip in the river and definitely getting some kind of good food later on. Don't know exactly what yet, but I am very excited. Is that Koopy I hear?
Yes.
Where?
It's right here.
What up?
Mokko.
Your house is looking good.
Where's all this
I'm just
stuff?
getting changed up.
Where's all this stuff for you?
Koopy,
Hold up.
you gonna say hi yet?
Hold up, number Jim.
He's too busy to say hi.
Huh?
Huh?
I got Skittle.
Oh, thanks, brother.
Good one.
Woo! Skittle life.
I'm gonna go.
Junior's here.
Look at me. You are the best though. But there's a lot of mosquito here.
Is there? All right.
That's quiet.
Yeah.
I feel when it shot the dirt over here.
All right, we got a fire going.
If you grab it from off that tree, that would be good right now.
It would be good. Koopy's back to business. Junior's in the house.
Hey, the fish out cooking now.
Koopy's working hard as usual. I'm not gonna bother him. You stand back, you get something in the eye. Run down something? Well, I'll just leave it as a surprise. Yeah. So we're dealing with so much rain here.
Yes.
It's really crazy. Crazy rain,
And
crazy rain.
Mokko,
Yeah?
we put one little piece of potato there and look at it now.
That's all sweet potato?
Yeah.
Ratty made a sweet potato explosion. Hey! How are you? Nice to see you. I'm just filming a bit as usual. What's up, Durette? I look fat, I know. I was telling my girlfriend, I'm like, I bet the girls are gonna think I got fat. Yeah.
Mokko.
In a good way though.
Mokko.
Yeah? So Ratty, this is all potato.
Yes, I just found one little tiny piece.
Look at
And
Koopy's
it's
house. Wow. That's a difference. All right. I'm just gonna do a, wow, the farm. Those are the plants we planted. They're huge. Wow, it's like a freaking forest now. This is awesome. And the river's pretty high.
I have to keep it.
And the mosquitoes are kind of out, so... Are you getting bit like I am?
No, I have to keep jumping.
They're going crazy on me. Anyway, the trip today was much different than last time. So the trip today was much different than the one I did last year. It was so much easier than I thought. Last year, if you watched the video, I'll put a link down there below. You had to put an app on your phone where they track you. You had to do video check-ins, reading a number at random parts of the day, 2-3 times a day for 2 full weeks. This time, I'm supposed to do an 8-day quarantine, and there's no tracker. There's no monitoring. We got off the plane and a nurse comes up or official and basically just says, hey, by the way, guys, if you're double vaxxed, you should quarantine 8 days. If you're not vaccinated, you got to do 14. Have fun. And that was basically it. You do have the option to take a test and get a... Guess who's with me, Ratty? You have the option to take a test and you can actually upload it. You don't have to do any type of quarantine. But I just figured I'm going to do my 8 days here. And it's going to be very easy and very chill. So anyway, so much easier this time. I even brought a second phone because I really did not like the idea of them tracking me. So I thought I'd at least bring a second phone and put the app on that. But anyway, Mokko's cooking dinner. I'm kind of getting eaten by bugs here. We'll film some more. What's that, Reggie?
You have to stay till 1 month.
Have to stay for a month? I wouldn't mind.
I 1 year, bro.
Man, but there's definitely little mosquitoes. So I'm going to get out of the
This one back
get
to
out
the
of this
yard.
area.
This one back to the yard.
Let's go back to the yard. Whoa.
Bunch of
Anyway,
water.
plenty of stuff to film. Can't wait.
No, you ready to fly the drone?
Too dark, man. We'll have to fly the drone another night. But I'm excited to have some fish rundown that Mokko's cooking up. And we got a couple guests on the yard too, so.
You know what you need to do? You need to tie a fishing line to your drone and a hook on it and put bread on it and fly it in the ocean.
Actually, that's an awesome idea. We should
And
totally.
after fish bite it and hook, and you can drive the drone up in the air.
I would totally try that if you're into it.
Yeah.
Drone fishing sounds badass.
Oh yeah. That's how we can get some good fishes.
Oh yeah, can't wait.
Move.
All right, we just got some beers. Cheers. Cheers to MJ. Welcome, MJ.
Yes, I.
Yes, I. Darius.
Big up.
Big up, big up, big up. Junior in the house. Good to see you. Here we go. Yes. To life.
King of King, Lion of
And beyond.
Lord of Lord of the tribe of Judah. Praise. Boy, this a wicked Ital shoot me there on today, you know, brother.
Nice.
In the night there, you know.
Yeah, very dark. In the darkest night.
Darkest night there, this very night. So I shoot with prepare.
All right, I'm so excited to have it.
You never drink this kind of soup.
I've had something similar, I'm sure, but not exactly.
When you taste this soup, the soup come like sugar in there, but there's sugar.
All right, we'll go try it out with the new guys.
Yeah.
Newer guys.
Yeah.
All right, bless
New
you.
soup, this is new Ital.
Yeah.
Bam.
Respect.
Yeah, man.
Junior? All right, boys. Do you mind if I get a video?
No stress.
Okay. Ital soup.
Yes, I.
What's in it? Can you tell? It looks like I see cocoa dasheen, okra, scallion, Irish potato looks like. Is that carrot in it too? Oh, I see the okra. Yes.
Oh, you need a little carrots.
Proper Ital. This is my first Ital soup in some time. Other than ones I've made myself that turned to mush. Oh man. If you're not vegetarian or vegan, this might just turn you. All right, back on the yard finally. Picked up in the van like a boss. Cheers. We'll do lots more tomorrow. MJ's here too. Respect. More good times coming soon. Bless up. Yeah.